Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a JBL Tune Flex earbuds and you need to do a hard reset on them. Maybe they're not connecting to Bluetooth or not connecting to your device, or maybe there's only sound coming out of one ear. A hard reset will fix a lot of these issues. It will return them to the default settings, which means it will be unpaired from any devices that you had it on, so you'll have to re-pair it. But if you want to do that, you can actually reset them directly from the app if you have it. What you'll do is you open the app and you'll just tap on the headphones, as you can see here within the app. And from there, you just want to go to the bottom, scroll all the way to the bottom once you get into those headphones, and click on the support tab. And then from the support tab, you'll go down to the bottom again, and you'll see there's an option to reset factory setting. You'll click on that. It'll come up with a little confirmation page. You'll hit reset to confirm it. And then it will reset the app. It will remove them from your phone. It will remove them from the app. And then you can put the earbuds in their case, close the case, leave it closed for a few seconds, and then when you open it up, it'll start to look to pair with devices, and then at that point you can then add them back to whatever device you want to have them paired on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.